Hi everyone, Uma Giona here, and today I'm going to be watching, well, kind of like listening to the lyric videos of the new OST from What's Wrong with Secretary Kim, and it's JL and BGYO who sang it. And so I'm going to listen to Uuwian, that's the name of the song, by JL first, and then I'm going to be listening to the BGYO version. So yeah, it's not out in Canada yet. I'm like, might as well just watch the lyric videos. So I'm here today. Let's go. Okay, Uuwian ni JL. Uuwian ni JL. By JL in 3, 2, 1, go. Wow. I like that. It seems like there's a story. Oh, JL! Sobrang napuko kay JL these days. Ano ba? Okay. Aww. Na all. Sandali! BGYO to, right? Aww. I'm so happy. The lyrics are good. Si JL din ba to? Aww. I'm just so happy na maganda yung lyrics. I was wrong. Parang pag kinanta to ni JL ng live, baka hindi ko kayanin. Feeling ko bagay na bagay ito dun sa ano, sa drama. Sino yun? Sige na nga, JL. Oh, okay. First of all, I'm just so happy that it's so good. Like, okay, this is my kind of song. No, I'm not gonna rant. But the lyrics are really good. It has a story and the meaning is like right there. It's easy to see. It's not too complicated and it's relatable. Na parang ang sa akin yung kanta is built on trust na or the relationship is built on trust na they feel safe, secure despite na they're pursuing different things. Kasi hindi naman tayo laging pareho kahit na kaibigan mo yan, pamilya, or jowa mo, asawa. We can't be always in the same, like on the same page. So, it makes sense na minsan may mga gusto kang gawin na hindi din gustong gawin ng partner mo or nung kung sino man na relationship na yan. Pero, knowing na you guys are still gonna be, like, uuwi pa rin kayo sa isang bahay. You know, na yung isa't isa pa rin yung babalikan nyo. That's such a good story. Tapos ang ganda pa kasi parang free kayo nga na gawin. Kasi nga, di ba, nakaka-restrict kapag gusto mong gawin yung isang bagay tapos yung partner mo parang, ay, wag na yan kasi hindi yan maganda sa'yo or whatever. Yun nga yung gusto mo, di ba? So, in the song, it's like, okay, sige, malaya kang gawin or pursue yung mga pangarap mo kahit na hindi siya align sa path na pinili ko. Kasi alam ko, eventually, our paths would meet when we go home to each other. Like, that's so nice. Kasi di ba mahirap na, there's this like one line that I really like, same bed, different dreams. Di ba parang ang sakit-sakit nun? Kahit na nakahiga kayo sa parehong kama, usually parang sa mag-asawa to na nakahiga kayo sa parehong kama pero magkaiba kayo ng napapanaginipan or ng mga pangarap. Isn't that sad? Pero this one is the opposite. You might be taking like a different road than this person. Pero alam nyo, you trust each other na pag na-achieve mo na to or kung ready ka na, bumalik or na magkasama ulit kayo, that person would be there. That's so good. Kasi mahirap yun, di ba? Trust issues. JL's voice, Alam mo si JL talaga, siya yung pinaka-hatak na hatak ako sa TikTok. Lalo pag nakanta siya na ganito. Sobrang, okay, the reason why I have TikTok, na nag-download ako eventually, nag-install ako eventually, dahil kay JL. Dun sa cover niya ng Para Sa Akin. Yun talaga, yung sabi ko, okay, I'm missing out. If I don't have this, it's gonna be hard for me to watch like JL covers. So, nag-download na ako ng TikTok. Kasalanan ni JL. So, siya talaga, oh my gosh. Parang hindi ko naman daw kakayanin pag yung yung buo na silang lahat. But I think, BGYO lahat sila yung nakanta dun sa may chorus na may harmonies. I'm like, so good. Sige, papakinggan ko na isa. Okay, Uuwian by BGYO. So, this is gonna be the whole group singing it. 3, 2, 1, go. Nate! Nate, wait! Kamay mo ay aking nabitawan at ang hirap palang naghahanapan. Minsan talaga di magkatagpo sa gitna ng nakakagulo. Mickey! Oh! Natatandaan lahat ng pinagdaanan, maligaw man alam pa rin pupuntahan. Kaya na. Ang ganda! Bagay kay JL yung chorus talaga. Naloka ako dun sa part ni Mickey daw. Naiyak na ako. Mickey! Ang ganda kumanta ni Mickey. Alam mo yun, kung paano siya magsalita, yun din yung pagkanta niya. Teka lang. Teka lang. Puso ko. Ang liit ng boses ni Aki dito. JL to, no? May kayo, BGYO, nakakainis. Feeling ko mas maganda pa ito pag pinahanggan sa Spotify. Pero matagal pa kasi yun sa amin. Mamaya pa. Nakakainis! Ayoko na! Ayoko na, bahala kayo sa buhay niyo. Kakainis! Okay. Nakakalma na ako konti. Gusto ko yung kay JL. I think yung boses ni JL yung pinakabagay sa kanta, lalo sa chorus. So, I understand bakit kay JL to pinasolo. And that's really good. But, there's something in the BGYO version. It feels complete. I'm not saying na kulang yung kay JL. It's a different kind of complete for him because it's only his voice, right? Pero dito sa version ng BGYO, I don't know, hindi ko ma-explain, but it just feels complete. Like their voices complement each other. Na ang ganda ng tunog nila pag magkakasama. And that's not downplaying JL's version because it's a different kind of thing. Like, I'm really proud of JL. And he did so well. But I feel like, for me, it hits more with like the whole group singing it. But I think sa OST mismo, kung ipi-play siya sa drama, it would sound more consistent kung isang tao lang yung kumakanta. So I can see why there are two versions. Parang sa Mahal na Kita, di ba? Nung bola-bola. Okay, just let me do it. I wanna listen to it again. Hindi ko masyado na-enjoy yung boses ni Miki. It was so good. I want to listen to it again. So, or I can just do it by myself. Pero since nandito naman ako, whatever. Okay, 3, 2, 1, go. Ang ganda ng boses ni Miki. There's not enough Nate, though. Wait. Like, Nate's voice is so good. I've been raving about Nate's voice for like the longest time, you know. I can't even do how Miki does it. Sandali lang. Ulit po yung kay Miki. Wait lang. Oh no, I was wrong. Medyo iba yung boses ni Aki dito though. And then JL's voice is perfect for like the chorus. Ah, that's so cute. Iki! It's just so Miki. You know that it's Miki singing it. Iba talaga yung boss ni Aki daw. Parang isa iba tunog. Parang mas manipis. And this must be JL doing this. Diyos ko, anong oras na? Lunch break ko lang. I like that part. Hintayin ko yung sa Spotify. Baka dahil dun kaya medyo iba yung tunog. Pero, kasi usually, na-distort pag nasa YouTube eh. I really like it. Ay na, hintayin ko na lang siya sa Spotify. Feeling ko mas maganda yung tunog. O kaya sa iTunes. Oo, mas maganda yung tunog dun. Ewan ko ba sa YouTube, bakit ganun? Medyo naiiba siya ng konti. Pero like, it's an obvious difference ng quality ng sound. So, ewan, yung voice ni Aki, medyo hindi. Alam kong si Aki yon. Okay? Alam kong voice ni Aki yon. Pero medyo iba nga yung tunog. But it's okay. Oh my gosh. I don't know. There's not enough Nate. But Miki did so well. So, hey, good job. And of course, JL. It's nice. May bago tayong kanta. I mean, syempre naghihintay pa rin ng comeback. Pero, this is good. We have 2 new songs. 2 versions. So, yay! Ayun. And ako'y gugura na at ako ay may pasok pa. Thank you so much for watching. Let me know what you thought of the song, the lyrics, and everything. I love the lyrics. The lyrics are so good. So much better than Toot! Anyway, I'll see you guys next time. Bye-bye!